In this video, I'm talking all about some simple filmmaking techniques that are going to help you to sync audio and video together when you're making a video. So let's get right into it. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and yes, in today's video, we're talking all about syncing audio and video. Now, let's say we're shooting an interview setup for an example. We've got two cameras, and let's say we're recording the audio separately. So we'll record a lapel microphone, but we're also going to boom it for safety. So we've got two cameras and then we've got two audio sources going into an audio recorder like Zoom H4n. Now, when you drop this into the edit, if you haven't done anything on set to prepare, then this is going to be really awkward to sync up because you're going to have to look for a specific word, and this is going to be really awkward and time consuming and not exactly very precise. So when you're on set, when you're rolling the camera, just before you go into the interview, once you've done your sound test and everything, you want to get the person on screen to simply right in front of their face. You want to do one big clap right in front of their face. Now, the reason why you want to get your subject to do a clap in front of their face is because not only is it big visually, if you're scrubbing through the timeline, you're going to see when the person is going to clap their hands together. But this also creates an audio spike on the timeline. So when you're looking at your audio files on your computer, when you put this on your timeline and you see your waveform, you're going to notice that at one point when the clap appears, there is this huge spike in the edit. So all you have to do is find the point where the hands connect on the video. You have to find that spike in the audio, and then you connect everything to this one specific point. Now, this is a technique used by pretty much every single filmmaker on the planet. This technique is even used in major Hollywood productions, but rather than getting somebody to clap, they're using a clapperboard, and that sharp sound that the clapperboard makes when the director calls action, that clapping sound and the visual cue of the clapperboard coming together is the exact same as your hands coming together and making that sharp sound. It's creating a visual and an audio cue to make syncing everything nice and easy. So there you go. This is a really simple and really quick tip, but the next time you're shooting audio or multicam video, then it's really important to create a sync clap or use a clapperboard to create a visual and audio cue for your sync point. So if you enjoyed watching this video, or if you feel like this little tip helped you in any way whatsoever, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're subscribed, then I will see you on the next video. See you there.